What's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not and will never be financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maximus mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at the 24 hours market performance. After that, we look at prices in details. And right after that, we'll check our positions. Are we in Rec City yet? Or is my Lambo parked outside? you, you get the drill. But before we do all that, guys, oh my God, here we go again. Here we go again. People sometimes don't understand. How do I say this? Do not invest in something that you don't understand, because if you do, you will end up sleeping like this. Oh, hold on, like this. That's how you end up sleeping. You end up sleeping with one eye open because you keep on worrying yourself to death. I've told you guys, here in my millionaire journey, we are not looking for pumps. We are looking for generational wealth. Understand? That's what we look for. Not money for me to be able to get out of this tight spot today and tomorrow return to the same tight spot. No. We are looking for investment, money that will take me out of these tight spots forever, and I don't have to look at it anymore. And not just me, my children and my children's children, if they, depending if they know how to work it, because it is simple. If I started with, let's take a random number. If I started with $10,000, okay, I'm expecting my kid to take the money I started. Let's say I start with $10,000 and I grow it up to 300,000. When my kid comes along, I want my kid to grow that 300,000 to, let's say, $1 million. Okay, and when my grandson comes along, I want him to grow that $1 million into $5 million. See, generational wealth, starting with what I started as a simple thing, 10 grand. See, it's just, I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. That said, let's get to Kaspa. Here we come again. Everybody, oh yeah, price is falling. Oh, price is going sideways. It was supposed to pump, but it didn't. Guys, patient. Patient. Nothing has changed. Kaspa is about to run. And when I say it, guys, I am so happy when I say it, because I look at the charts, I look at what they have lined up. It's not just like they have lined up. The proof is there. All I can do is like, okay, I wonder how much I'm going to finish the bull run with. Okay, this percentage, now we're going to go with the bear market with it. And by the time the next bull run comes, I think I'm going to have 3 times what I just started with. Maybe 5 times what I just started with. That's me. That's what I'm thinking about. Okay, and I'm like, yeah, and let's see if we can turn this $300,000 into $7 million by doing this and this. Yeah, that's me. And everybody else is busy panicking because the price did not pump. Instead of looking at the lines, looking between the lines. I told you, Kaspa has its catalyst, and those catalysts, they are already set in motion. Okay, back in was it January? Sometime in January, Binance was supposed to distribute, share the mining rewards. That whole process, okay, takes 2 weeks to do. And I do remember telling you guys, pay attention, February 10th to February 14th, thereabout, because that is the time That is the time limit that those rewards were supposed to get distributed. Okay, as you can see, the market got front run, and that's why I always tell you guys, you need to have your positions ready. So people front ran that. As a result, we saw Kaspa go to what, 11.3 or 11.4, something like that. Now, Binance came out today and they said it's no longer going to be like that. Those rewards has been moved forward. Therefore, you have these rewards that are going to be sometime next month. I think first week or second week of next month, something like that. You know what? No, hold on. Let me show you. Let me look at this right quick. I did not tweet about it, but other people did. As you can see, look here. Binance pushes the date they will send Kaspa mining rewards to users funding wallet to March 6. Okay, first week of March. March 6. That's what. So that is the whole commotion you're looking at right now is this. And if you click on this, this is the official announcement. Okay, will be distributed before March 6. It's no longer this like they were anticipated. Okay, and what called my attention, that's why I keep telling you guys, a lot those catalysts, instead of going one by one, it looks like they are all going to like blow, they're going to blow like back to back. Because as you guys can see, wallet number 4 here, they can't even hide it anymore. Wallet number 4 is Binance. That's Binance wallet. No one, they can't even hide it anymore. And wallet number 4 just bought another 43 million. Okay, look at that, 43 million Kaspa. They just did. So yeah, when they start to do this, it's not just for the rewards. What that tells you, excuse me, come on. What that tells you, spot listing is coming. That's what it is, because the mining rewards, they've already have them. They mine, they use miners and have the rewards set. Now they're about to, they are piling up their spot accounts because they're about to spot list Kaspa. So yeah, you have that catalyst is there. The second catalyst, which again I told you, if things were to go the way they were originally planned, the listing would have been done February 14 to 16, and then the 10 BPS 10 days later. So right now, as you guys can see, but the Binance listing or potential listing with the 10 BPS upgrade is falling almost back to back, because 10 days from now, or let's say 9 days, because by the time I upload this video, it will probably a couple of hours later. 10 days from now, the upgrade to 10 blocks per second will take place on Kaspa. And again, that's another catalyst. That's why looking at the price, it's not falling, it's not going, it's just sideways. Those of them who try to front run the market just drop. As a matter of fact, I even think if the fear continues, you can even see Kaspa probably go back down to 10.3 or 10.4 before bouncing right back up there. Give it plus or minus 5%. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do not panic because of these things. And added to that, Coinbase is listing perpetuals for Kaspa. And here you are crying because the price is not running yet, instead of looking for ways get into your position, because this thing is about to go crazy. Seriously, it is about to go crazy. And I was looking at Twitter today. I just look at those guys and I just kept laughing. Just like, what is going on with people? Okay, even most people have started to figure out, because there's this guy that was asking me, said, I think you were right. He was telling me, I think I was right, because the projects that these guys are building right now, it would not be possible without knowledge of that the smart contracts were ready. And I keep telling you guys, all this thing is going to fall back to back, because the bull run would end early. And now the profits that guys are going to make from Bitcoin, Ethereum, or my grandma Inu, or let's just say Grandpa's meme coin, Grumpy Grandpa, whatever you want to call them, those profits, most of them are going to roll into Kaspa's ecosystem. That is why I am convinced that Kaspa is going to be the only coin running towards the end of the year. Because to build the ecosystem is not a 1 month thing. It's going to take them between 4 to 8 months. That TVL will keep up climbing. Ecosystem will keep on going. So yeah, everything is falling into place. Now, once they launch the smart contracts, okay, the gigawatt stablecoin, which is the biggest asset, okay, they didn't put it on Ethereum, not on Bitcoin, no, on Kaspa. And I think I've repeated myself so many times about that. It's over $1 trillion market cap asset added on Kaspa. It's on. It's on. Adding that the government, okay, they was going to keep on. How many FMOC meetings do you think are left before the interest rate goes to zero? And you guys already know, every time there is an FOMC meeting, Kaspa always pumps, right? It looks like Kaspa is correlated with the how you call it, the monetary services. I don't know, something is going on there, but it is very, you cannot go wrong if you trade in Kaspa based on the FOMC meeting. So all those catalysts, guys, they are lining up straight. And everybody, my guys, I showed you guys yesterday. I showed you my Bitcoin chart yesterday. I hope you paid attention. Seriously, I hope you paid attention. Because again, market always does the opposite of what everybody is doing. Everybody's expecting the market to run till December. Okay? You are in for a surprise. Seriously, you are in for a big surprise, because it's not gonna get there. Trust me, guys. These moves I showed you yesterday, they usually happen like the first touch. Go look it up, okay? The first touch after with the halving usually happen, okay, towards the end of that year. And the second touch usually happen towards probably June, July, and then the parabolic movement up to the up all high. Man, come on, I can't speak. To the all-time high usually start then around that August, September, to end up at the end of the year. But instead, the first touch happened way earlier than it's supposed to do, and the second touch is happening right now as I'm talking to you. Those were weekly candles. I don't know, guys, pay attention. And like I said, everybody who was busy, happy, oh yeah, we getting institutions, we get involvement of institutions into the crypto, okay, most likely into Bitcoin cycle, has changed everything on the price, not on the technicals, because Bitcoin is still going to have the 4-year cycles. We're still going to have the halving happen all on time, not changing on that. But on the monetary side, okay, on the hard price moves, ups or down, has been changed completely with the involvement of the institution. That's what many people are not paying attention to. And this time, this bull run specifically is so different, okay? And it's gonna be how do I say this? This bull run is so different because there's so many factors affecting the price of Bitcoin. This bull run, okay? The quantitative easing we're expecting is not here yet. And I don't think it's going to be here very soon, because the government needs to take off the streets all the dollars that they printed, okay, to try to reduce inflation. You understand? They are going to try to get that money out. The only way they're going to do it is by dropping interest rates to zero or close to zero. Because when you do that, people will take that money okay, or borrow from the government and invest in other economies that have a higher interest rate. By taking that money and investing it in a growing economy, let's say like Japan or whatever they're going to do it, that reduces the amount of dollars in the street, and that reduces inflation. That means your $1 will be worth more because there is less in circulation. You understand? All that stuff is playing a very, very big part. And then you have to look at the timing. That's why I'm telling you guys, this bull run will end faster than you think. And now, what do you think happens when the government drops the interest rate to zero? Stock market down. And what is the relationship between stock market and Bitcoin? go look at it. People taking the dollars because interest rate is up will raise the value of Dixie. We call it Dixie. If you're a trader, you will know. Value of Dixie, which is the dollar, up. Stock market down. And now Bitcoin and the Dixie, they have an inverse relationship. When Dixie goes up, Bitcoin drops. When Bitcoin goes up, Dixie drops. Look at it right now. Dixie is dropping, Bitcoin is going. So the timing and the macroeconomic problems that we are having, okay, put together with the dates in which the government is about to do the unthinkable, trust me, it's not because you're a Bitcoin maxi or that or whatever is going to hold the government from doing what they have to do to save the economy. So yeah, you can sit there and believe in mega cycle, bullish cycle. Yeah, it's going to be a bullish cycle, but I'm telling you guys, well, time will tell if I'm right or not, but I know I am, because when you look at it, okay, Bitcoin is in that channel, and like I showed you guys yesterday, we've touched the bottom and we're on the way up. Now if we extend a little bit, like I said, it's going to happen, and as always, I'm going to sit here and tell you, yep, I told you so. I told you so. And you are going to see, when all that is happening, people are going to look for where their money can grow, because that's what smart investors do. And the only thing, guys, again, first, Kaspa is revolutionary. That's number one. Number two, the ecosystem will be building when all this chaos is happening. People looking for where their money is going to grow are going to start sending their money into Kaspa ecosystem. Did you understand? The TVL will start to grow aggressively, because regardless of what's happening in the US, people in Saudi Arabia or whatever across the world, oil producers are still going to be having a high demand for the gigawatt coins, the energy coins. People will still be having a lot of DeFi going on. Now, as I told you, would you rather have a DeFi on Ethereum to pay $50 on gas fees, or would you rather have it on Kaspa? Some people are going to say, oh, Solana, blah, blah, blah. And I keep telling you, the only reason why Solana exists is because Ethereum failed. Now, Kaspa comes on with a smart contract. Kaspa is the only one that solved the trilemma, which means it is better than Solana. So it goes forward, right? Therefore, that market share is going to run down to Kaspa. Now, a lot of people are like this, guys. Even when you look at Solana's ecosystem, 90% of it is meme coins. There's nothing on Solana. Unless you want to like transactions like transfer money or whatever, you go to Solana because it's cheaper, even though the network fails 90% of the time. So what do you think would happen when the perfect chain like Kaspa shows up? It never fails, it's cheaper, it's faster, you name it. What do you think will happen? So yeah, you're sitting over here looking at 10 cents. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That's what you're doing. Instead of really paying attention, it has started. Only, like they usually say, the patient dog eats the fattest bone. It has started. It starts with the mining reward, the 10 BPS mining reward that is happening March 6th. And what's today's date? Not even a week down the line, or 2 weeks, or less than that. I think it's a week down the line. Mining reward hits Binance spot list Kaspa probably in that first week of March. It's going to happen. Okay, the list Kaspa 10 BPS goes live in 10 days from now, and I keep saying it. The only reason smart contract has not been announced is because 10 BPS has not been upgraded. Even if you check, they just made an update for the Rusty Kaspa, the language in which Kaspa is built on. Why? Guys, then you see people looking at me crazy. That's why I'm saying it. Guys, I stand by it. I strongly believe Kaspa is going to hit $10 this run. Okay? But the opportunity is there. Let's just say you don't believe me, okay? And I'm telling you, if Kaspa underperforms, we're talking about a $5 Kaspa. If it underperforms, $5. If it does average, let's say it did not do as bullish as I am, or it did not do as underperform, average price for Kaspa is going to be $7. But yeah, looking at your environment, looking at everything going around and how this thing is going to suck up all that liquidity, I think a $10 Kaspa is possible. So yeah, you guys are crying right now. Oh, it's not going 10 cents. It's not going this. Instead of trying to get yourself in a nice position, well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. All I know is that, yeah, in 2 weeks or less than that, I will sit here and I will tell you, yep, I told you so. Because Kaspa is about to take off. You're about to see 20 cents, 40, 50 cents, $1, $2 in a record time. And don't say I didn't warn you, because I've been telling you this for months now, that get ready for it. Get ready for it. Do not wait until the last minute, because right now people haven't started FOMOing in. The FOMO is about to be real. you want to be in before the FOMO becomes real. Understand? Anyways, yeah, I was just to clarify. I wanted to clarify, because most people think, oh yeah, it's not doing. No. Everything still set the way it was designed to go. Binance mining rewards, Binance spot listing, the 10 BPS, the smart contracts. They have even started talking about Dark Knight, which would take Kaspa to 100 blocks per second. They have even started talking about it. So yeah, I can't wait. I am so impatient right now. I want to see it, to be able to say my favorite phrase. Yep, I told you so. It's about to come. It's almost here, man. It is almost here. Anyways, guys, let's go look at the market performance. Let's look at how the market have been doing for the past 24 hours. So let's go right quick, looking at crypto bubbles right quick. Here we go. Let's get into crypto bubbles. Here you are. Everybody else still crying about stuff, and like I said, alt season has started. You don't want to believe me, that's fine, but alt season has started. Anyways, let's go here. Let's go look at King Kaspa, KAS. For the past hour, Kaspa is down 0.4%. On the day, 0.3%. On the week, we are up 3.6%. On the month, we are down 22.4%. And on the year, we are down 38.7%, sitting at a market cap of $2.72 billion. You see, market cap did not even move despite of all these people that were busy running away because the price didn't run. And the 24 hours volume sitting at $38.50 million. Just like I always tell you, pay attention to the trading volume. If it did not move, that means whatever price was doing at that moment was not real. Okay? Anyways, let's go look at Quant. QNT, which is the banker's coin. Okay? QNT. For the past hour, Quant is up 0.2%. On the day, we are down 0.1%. 9% up on the week, 14.6% down on the month, and on the year 5.4%. You see that? I told you, pay attention to that number. It has beginning to drop. It has begun to drop really quick. Yesterday it was like what, -9%. Today we are down 5.4. It's about to turn green. Anyways, sitting at the market cap of $1.4 billion and the 24 hours volume traded at $28.51 million. Now let's go look at the Japanese Bitcoin, which is JASMI, JAS. Okay, we have here for the past hour we are down 0.4%. On the day, JASMI is up 2.5%. On the week, we're still down 0.8%. On the month, we're down 21.3%, and on the year, we are up 35.4%. See that number? See how quick it dropped? It was up 300 and something percent, but because JASMI follows Bitcoin to the T, now that Bitcoin has started to show signs of a reversal, I am expecting JASMI to also start to pick up, okay? Because like I'm saying, the last parabolic strength for Bitcoin has already started. Therefore, JASMI, you're about to see JASMI pick up steam. Yeah, yeah, the bullishness is coming in, but we have to see what the Big Daddy Bitcoin does, because Jasmine follows Bitcoin. And now that Bitcoin has started to gather momentum, just like I'm telling you guys, the movement upwards for Bitcoin has started. You're about to see Jasmine start to go up too. But anyways, let's go look at Jasmine real quick. See, right there. Yesterday, I told you guys the ribbon was curving, and because of Bitcoin going, Jasmine has also started. This is the 1 hour. Look, yesterday we were somewhere here, and I told you, watch this, but better also pay attention to Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin pumps, Jasmine is also going to pump. I'm going to show you Bitcoin in a second, but you see, ribbon has turned green. It's facing upwards. Again, price always get attracted to the moving average, and right now we are trying to break above the moving average. Now look at it on the 4 hourly. There, see, what can you see? Ribbon has started to curve. Okay, ribbon has started to curve, and as you can see, we have a bunch of green green candles upwards. Now, like I said, I'm expecting this thing to go try this resistance again, break above it, and keep on moving. If Bitcoin can get above $104,000, is on. Jasmine is going to run like a wild dog. So yeah, you get ready for it. Okay, even if you want to look at it on the daily, look at it on the daily. Like again, I don't trade on the lower time frames. For me to trade, the daily, the weekly, monthly have to agree with me. Now, this is like I told you guys yesterday. The problem I'm having here is this. Although as you can see, price has started to go sideways, right? You see how it started to go sideways, and the ribbon has started to spread. That means this thing is about to curve, and this price is about to go up. That's what it means. Okay, now again, it all depends on what Bitcoin is doing, and since we started seeing Bitcoin pumping, it means Jasmine is about to take off. Okay, look, if you don't believe me, look at this. Look at BTC USDT. Let's go look at that. USDT, I'm gonna take this one. Okay, that's my chart. Did you see? 3 days in a row, Bitcoin has started to pump, right? Let me take my arrow right quick. 3 days in a row, Bitcoin has started to pump. Look at the huge candles. Now we are sitting at $98,000. The pump, the move to the parabolic, the last stages of the bull run has started. So yeah, as you guys can see, ribbon is green. It's about to turn upwards. Okay, even if you look at it, let's say if you look at it, Bitcoin on the weekly. Again, for me, I don't like. I don't do a lot of Bitcoin TA, but if you look at it, Bitcoin right now, the bull flag, look at I've always had my lines, okay? The bull flag that Bitcoin is forming, okay, he's already started. What is my arrow right quick? See, that is the pole. The flag is already broken above the resistance, okay? And again, the target of this is $150,000, just like I told you guys, and I hope you are paying attention. $150,000, that's where this thing is going. Okay, it's gonna take a couple of weeks to get there. Like I said, this bull run will be over in 6 to 8 months, or even less than that, and you are about to see it. It's about to happen. We don't have much time for it. Okay, so yeah, the whole point of all this is to show you that, look, if you go on the, let's go back on the 1 hourly, okay, you see Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. Moving ribbon green upwards. It broke above the moving average and is going. If you go on the 4 hour, again, Bitcoin is pumping. See, it just started turning green, which means this price action is going to continue, and you are about to see Jasmine start pumping like a mad dog. Much more if Bitcoin closes a daily candle above $104,000. You are about to see it. Okay, so yeah, my God. So go back here. There you have it. It's about to happen. Everybody else still waiting to the end of the year. Okay. I just hope when you get that hot potato, don't complain, because I tried to warn you so many times. Okay. Anyways, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. So please, you need to practice before you venture yourself into leverage trading, or else you are going to be juggling those hot potatoes for 2 years, because the bear market usually be around 2 years. So please do not do that unless you know what you're doing. Therefore, below I do have Phemex, Margex, Bydfi, and Weex exchange. Sign up, they give you free money. Okay, once you get the free money, after you meet their deposit bonuses, after you meet that, you get the free money. Take $100, $200, practice how to open a trade, how to close a trade, how to take partial profits, stop losses, trailing stop. There's a lot of things. Practice. Once you are confident enough, then yes, you can venture into leverage trading, because you can 5, 10, 20, or even 100x your money with leverage trading. But it's very risky. Man, I can't tell you how many people are in Rec City right now for trying to leverage trade without experience. Okay, anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Let's go here. We're gonna start first with my Bydfi. You guys already know. Let's go. No, come on, I don't wanna. Maybe later. Yeah, come on, get out. Okay, let's go here. My Bydfi. You guys already know there I am trading King Kaspa and Quant, right? Oh crap, I need to sign in. Excuse me for a second. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, I needed to sign in and I had to cover my password. So anyways, as you guys can see today, I am up 13,700. You guys remember yesterday it was a little bit low and I told you, yeah, it happens. But anyways, today we are up 13,700 in my overall. If you look at my on my contracts, wow, I told you so. Look at Quant. Quant is almost $100. It's going. Quant is almost $100. Anyways, as you guys can see for my Kaspa, I am still down 46%, which is 3,700, which is okay by me. Like I said, yesterday I told you guys, when this thing, when all is said and done, I will show you this account in 6 figures and nobody will remember that this account was in negative. Okay. Anyways, looking at my on my Quant, wow, it's almost breaking even. I'm still down 6%, which is $700. But yeah, it's coming slowly, easy, steady, but it is coming. All right, as you guys can see, you can pause my videos and you can look at my numbers. Again, I am a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x, so please do not copy me if you don't know what you're doing. Understand? Right? So yeah, now let's go look at Phemex. Looking at Phemex, you guys know I am trading here. I'm trading King Kaspa and the elusive Jasmine. Oh, see, they're giving free money, just like I told you guys. Free money. Anyways, let's X this out. My overall, come on. I know I told them already. You guys are giving free money. As you guys can see, my overall still there, 11,600. I think I was down $10,000 yesterday, but I told you guys it's coming. If you look at my contracts, okay, there you go. Look at my contracts. My Jasmine, I am still down 52% again, because Jasmine hasn't started running yet, but it's about to go insane because Bitcoin is revving its engine. So yeah, it's about to happen. I'm still down 56%. I mean 52%, which is $5,400. On my Kaspa, on the other side, I am up 39%, which is 1,700. Again, please do not trade like me if you don't have experience. I trade at 50x, as you guys can see in every of my trading account. I trade at 50x and I drop my liquidation very low, as you guys can see right there, right? Come on. It wouldn't let me show you that again. What the hell? So as you guys can see, yeah, very low, 50x. Okay, so please, before you do it, make sure you have experience. Go and practice first. You can pause the video and then look at my numbers if that's what you wish to do. Now let's go look at the last but not the least, the Weex exchange. You guys know I was fighting so long. I was trying to trade cubic so bad on leverage because I know this thing is gonna make people money. So yeah, finally found one. Okay, and just like I told you guys, I staked my spot account cubic. I staked it, I think, for 52 weeks, over a year. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch my cubic until probably the next bull run. So let's see, if cubic does good, then I'll turn $1,000 into what, probably $500,000 or whatever. If it does bad, it goes to zero. It is what it is. It is always the risk that I am always ready to take. Okay, so anyways, now my overall here, I am up $3,400. Okay, now if you look at my contracts, okay, looking at my contracts, you will see that my cubic, I am almost break even, 1%, which is $10. You guys saw yesterday, I think I was down like $80, something like that. Again, for me, that doesn't bother me. Like I said, this is a high risk, high reward. And so yeah, I'm taking the risk. Just the same thing, I'm taking that high risk by staking my entire spot account on cubic. So yeah, whatever happens, happens. Like I said, high risk, high reward. You don't take the risk, you don't make money. So whatever. So yeah, that's what I did. And for my Kaspa, you guys can see I am up 76%, which is $900. Again, that's not what I'm looking for. So yeah, I'm still I'm going to show you this account. I will show it to you 6 to 8 months or even less. Then you guys can tell me what you see. Understand? So yeah, come on, let me go back here, right there. So yeah, it is there. You can I just found out, I wish I found out a couple of weeks ago, because the staking for cubic really started 3 weeks ago, and I did not find out until yesterday. I was busy doing other stuff. But yes, as soon as I found out, I staked it. I staked all my spot account on cubic, all of them. I staked it. Again, it's up to you if you want to do it or not. But me, being my millionaire journey, I always show you guys everything that I'm doing, right? So let me open it up and I will show you right now. I hate to do this on my computer, but their web wallet doesn't have a mobile version. So yeah, everything has to be done on a computer now. So as you guys can see, you download the web wallet, you install it, do everything, and once you do, you transfer your cubic to this wallet. You go here when you say cubic earn. So yeah, I staked it all. You guys can see. Okay, I staked 750 million cubic, which is roughly around $1,000 or 1,200. So yeah, I staked it all. It's all right there. The rewards, I am expecting to have probably 212 million coins rewards. That's what I'm expecting to have at the end of it all. So it's if you look on the reward table, the good thing about this, you can unstake early, but you are not going to get everything. So you're still going to burn like whatever that you get, they're going to burn a percentage of it. Okay, so yeah, you guys can see I'm planning to go to zero, because I don't want them to take anything. Okay, I'm planning to go to zero. That way I get 100%. You guys see that? 100% of my rewards. But I need to stake it to 52 weeks. Okay, because you have to go how many weeks? Okay, from 0 to 52 weeks. So I'm 52 weeks, almost about a year. So yeah, like I said, I show you guys everything I do. I am taking a risk. Again, it's $1,000. It has it has that possibility of making me $1,000 turn it into what, $200,000-$300,000. I'll take that trade any day. If it goes to zero, it is what it is. It was just $1,000. Okay, so yeah, if you want to do it, you can search YouTube about what you call it, cubic staking, and there are people that already did the video, so I don't want to repeat the same thing over again. So you can go ahead and lock in your cubic for however long you want, but remember, the amount of rewards you get depends on how much of time you stake that cubic. Anyways, guys, that being said, again, sit patient, because the next 2 weeks are going to be epic for Kaspa. You will see it. Okay, anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I read every comment, okay? I'm very interested on knowing what you guys think about what's going on with Kaspa, okay? Also, don't forget to share, because the more you share, the more millionaire-minded people like you and yours truly see these things, and the family grows. Again, you never know what you're going to learn from a stranger. That's how simple it is, okay? That being said, guys, again, until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves, and bye bye.